What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the problem when the UnrealCEFSubProcess.exe is running and using up your CPU resources even after closing Valorant on your PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, make sure that the Riot Games launcher is not running on your PC. Next, add an exception for Riot Games in your antivirus application. This can be done in your antivirus settings. Next, search for Firewall in your Start menu search and open up your Firewall and Network Protection settings window. Click on Allow an app through Firewall. On this window, select to change settings and find the right client program in this list of applications. If it's not showing up in this list, then click on Allow another app and then on Browse, which will open up your File Explorer. Go to the drive on which you save Riot Games on. Riot Games, Riot Client, and here select the Riot Client Services application. Make sure that both of these boxes are ticked before closing this window. When this is done, open up your Windows settings. In the Windows Update section, click on Check for Updates. Proceed to download the latest update before restarting your PC. This will fix the UnrealCEFSubProcess problem in your task manager. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.